Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a word problem involving speed, time and distance. Please listen carefully as I read the question first. A bus travelled on the highway and on local roads to complete a trip of 160 miles. The trip took 4 hours. The bus travelled at an average speed of 55 miles per hour on the highway and an average speed of 25 miles per hour on local roads. If x is the time in hours the bus travelled on the highway and y is the time in hours it travelled on local roads, which system of equations represent the situation? Now, let us understand what the question is asking. We are given total distance is equal to 160 miles, total time is equal to 4 hours, speed on highway is 55 miles per hour and speed on local roads is 25 miles per hour. Now we are also told x represents the time on the highway and y represents the time on the local roads, and we need to find which system of equations correctly models this situation. Now first, understand the formula. Okay, we know the basic formula, that is distance is equal to speed into time. We all know that, or in short form, D is equal to S into T. This formula is very important in solving search problems. Now we are told that the total trip took 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. So the bus travelled x hours on highway and y hours on the local roads. Right. So total time equals x plus y is equal to 4. Now this is our first equation. Now let me repeat. Since total time is 4 hours, we write x plus y is equal to 4. Now we calculate the distance travelled on each type of road. On the highway, speed is 55 miles per hour and time is x hours. Okay, so the distance on highway is 55 into x, that becomes 55x, and on local roads, 25y. Okay, now the total distance of the trip is 160 miles. So we add both the distances. So 55x plus 25y is equal to 160. So this is our second equation. Okay, now we combine both the equations. First equation x plus y is equal to 4 and second equation 55x plus 25y is equal to 160. So the system of the equation is 55x plus 25y is equal to 160 and x plus y is equal to 4. Now let us check the answer choices very carefully. Option A says 55x plus 25y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 160. This is incorrect because distance cannot equal to 4 and time cannot equal to 160. So option A is wrong. Now come to option B. Option B says 55x plus 25y is equal to 160 and x plus y is equal to 4. This is exactly matches our equation. So option B looks correct. Now come to option C. Option C says 25x plus 55y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 160. This is wrong because speeds are reversed and the totals are incorrect. So option C is incorrect. And option D says 25x plus 55y is equal to 160 and x plus y is equal to 4. Now this is also incorrect because it assumes highway speed is 25 and local road speed is 55, which is opposite of what the question says. So this option is also wrong. Okay, therefore the correct system of equation is 55x plus 25y is equal to 160 and x plus y is equal to 4. So the correct answer for this question will be option B. Okay, now let us quickly summarize the method. First, identify what x and y represent. Second, use the total time to create the time equation. Third, use the distance equals to speed times to create the distance equation. And fourth, match both equations with the given choices. Whenever you see a speed time distance word problem, always remember D is equal to S into T, and always check the total time and always check the total distance. Okay, so this is the full solution of this question. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any kind of doubts regarding this question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So see you in the next session with a new question. Till then, bye-bye and take care.